So as you can see, we've got a little bit of excitement going on here. The gathering of the pups, because we have some bully sticks. So this is where the puppies become like little demons. Here, hey, Hector, hey. Corey. Tony. Oh, sorry, Scarlett. Here. That's my finger, not my finger. Stan, did you not just have one? Where did you just drop yours? Right, you're getting one more each. Well, that's it, because you're dropping them all on the floor. Stan, Stan, go up there. Come on up here, Stan. Stan, up here. Come on, Stan. Stan, up here, come on. Stanley, come on up here. Come here, let me pick you up. I can't with that hand. Come here. Come here. Come here, don't. Bloody hell. Where did yours go? Where did it go? Can't say you don't have two. Where did yours go, Scarlett? Right, I think you've had plenty there. There's a gazillion down somewhere. Where did yours go, little Wiggles? Where did yours go? Well, I put a lot more down than there is. Diana, if you stole Stanley's, you've got one in the bedroom. Here we go, look on that. Hector, where did yours go to? You keep stealing everybody else's and dropping them. Well, Stanley, I tried twice. Oh, who's peed there? Who did that? Who did that, little piddles on the floor? You're too big for that now. Are you okay, my little lady? Hey. I've given you about 3 and you don't want them. They're too big for you. I've not got any smaller ones. You're such a sweet little lady, aren't you? Nobody wants you, do they? Nobody wants to love you, do they? I know, silly people. Silly people. Oh, you've got one there. Yes, you've got one. Look, you got one, I know. You can't talk with that in your mouth though, can you? you've got the right idea, haven't you? Get out of the way. Grab it and get out of the way. Colt, leave him alone. Colt. They're being good out of the way, especially you. I don't know why you have to steal each other's. You okay? Come away from that little pile of pillow while I get a mop. What is it? Come here. Come here. There's a good little lady. I know. Would you just like a normal biscuit? Would you just like a normal biscuit? Okay, let's get you a normal biscuit. Right, come up that. Hey! You lot stay away from his, you've got your own. Hey, no. Right.